Alright, we are at Sesame Place with the grand opening, Big Bird's Beach, and look at the line to get in. We're going to be here for a couple minutes. Oh my goodness. The summer has started, everyone. Here it goes. Here we go, we're going in and we're going to get into Thomas's line here. We made it through, right? That was a long line, huh? Was that long, Iz? You calling Thomas? Thomas is up there. We're going to stand in his line so he can check us in. This is going to be a good time. Alright, we're going to get in line next. It is Big Bird's Beach grand opening is here. We had to get something else, so I got to find where... There we go. Woohoo! Alright, we're getting ready to see what's going on over here at the grand opening.
Greetings and welcome!
Alright, let's get this beach party started! Surf and sing along with us!
Everybody across the USA. Let everybody be surfing with California Day.
You see them wearing their clothes, I'm ready to send those shoes. I'm pushing my hair.
Surfing USA!
Everybody's going surfing. Surfing USA! Everybody's going surfing. Surfing USA! Everybody's going surfing. Surfing USA!
My favorite! Haha! Here we go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Sit down, Bobby, guys, sit down.
For joining our opening. Have a great time at the beach and have a great rest of your day at Sesame Place.
Look, they're handing out rubber duckies. Let's get our rubber ducky. You ready, Iz? You want a rubber ducky? You want one, Iz? Say thank you. All right. Oops. All right, this is it. It is Elmo's Surf and Slide. That's what they changed it to. We're going to go on this as one of the first things we're going on. There goes Izzy going in. And it's cold because only my feet are in there and it's freezing. Izzy! Go ahead, Iz. Go over to that side. Oh my gosh. I gotta go in. I gotta go in. Here we go. It'll warm up after a few nice hot days. We know that, right, Iz? These things here get you. I caught me yesterday. Right, Iz. Stay on this side, Iz. This is the side she likes. It's a little deeper right there, but not too bad. Right, Iz? This is so much fun. Look at everyone. They're having such a great time. This is so awesome. They did a great grand opening. I hope you all enjoyed that. The grand opening video. Right, Iz? Alright. We're going up the rubber ducky, which is now not the rubber ducky anymore. What is it called? Elmo's Surf and Slide. That's what it's called. I can't help it. I can't help to say the rubber ducky. Alright, you ready? We're going up, going up. Oh, I'm sorry, I bumped you. Here they come down. Here they come down. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so much fun. And guess what? It's going to be really, really cold. Right, guys? Oh my goodness, look at there it goes. Woohoo! Turn around, there to go. You like it. We're getting closer to the sign up there. Take another video when I get closer to it. It's probably huge when you get up there. I'm gonna get a top view here of Big Bird's Beach. It is so much fun. And they even changed the name over there to Rosita's Seaside Slides. Can you see that? We were on there yesterday. I did a video about it. Ready to go. Here we go. We're gonna get a nice view up here of the park. And you can't see on the other side of the trees, but there is the paper trail. That's going. Hopefully, the wacky taxi will be on later. But look at that. Look at this nice view. You can see all the way down there. You can actually see the very top of Bert and Ernie's Splashy Shores. See? Go in like that. Ooh, I'm getting wet. Stuff coming out of there. They did take out the train. Maybe they'll do something else down there. Liz, are you ready? Are you sure? Yay! You want to do that? Go down and woo! Look at that! Wee! All right. We're almost there. Almost at the top. I can see it through here. I'll get a better one when I get up a little higher. The Sesame Place sign. There goes Big Bird's tour bus. It's going around and around. Izzy's already getting wet. The mist is coming down on you, which is actually perfect because this line, if it's long, it gets really hot. So this is another nice way to cool off with the little sprays. Right, Iz? You ready? Yeah. All right, we made it to the top. There it is. You get to see a high top view of the Sesame Place sign. You can see how high up it is. This is 5 stories, they say. Right, Iz? Getting ready to go down. Yeah. Here they go. We are next after these.
Wait, so this is higher than our house?
People in front of us. Yeah. Woohoo! And here's a new sign where they've replaced the rubber ducky. Sesame Place sign is now up. All right, we made it down the rubber ducky, and let me tell you something. It was cold. You would have thought they had icicles in there. It was so cold. Oh my goodness. We are frozen. I mean, it's pretty warm today. If you're out in the sun, standing out there, here it will be warm on you, so it's not the worst thing. You want something? Yeah. But it is cold. Yes, it sure got crowded here today at Big Bird's Beach. But everybody's having a great time. And the water is a little bit to the cold end. Paige wants to travel to go see Big Bird because Big Bird's coming out.
At 12:15.
Yeah, they gave out these for delays.
I got yellow.
Yeah, the gate. So she made sure she got yellow to match with Big Bird. It's a little cold. Yeah, it is. And kids are having so much fun, they don't even care. They're like, oh, yes, water. It's going to be wonderful summer. All right, we're going to take a walk and see Big Bird. Big Bird's going to be out in about 10 minutes. And then we'll go back. Go on some more water rides. We have to see him at least once today, so this will be our one time. Maybe we'll see him again if we're walking by. Right, Iz?
Well, your head's wet right now, so we'll put it.
She's ready. Oh, what do you have there? Oh, Barkley. She got Barkley out of the bag there. Oh, and the little Big Bird. There you go. We can't carry the real big one around because
We're going water ride.
we're on a water ride. We don't want to leave him sitting somewhere. So we have to pack a little lighter right now. But he is coming out, and we're going to go check him out. And there's probably other characters out too, but she just looked at Big Bird. Bert and Ernie's out. Yeah, she'll know. She knows the schedule.
Was out yesterday.
Yeah, Tilly was out yesterday.
I know.
She's always good knowing the schedule. Oh yeah, Cookie! You see him over there? Silly Cookie. Whoop. No, she turned over. Who's that, Iz? The count? What does the count say, Iz?
Dad.
Say the count. Yay! What's he say? Well, she was doing it right for the video. Of course, they never do it when you turn the video on. Right, Ez? All right, let's head down for Big Bird. I can see he's got a long line, so we're going to be there for a minute. There be the rubber ducky. All right, this line is really long for Big Bird, like seriously long. So we're just going to come over and wave at him and leave. Maybe later on we'll get to come over and see him get in the line a little ahead of it. Get like first, she likes to be first in line. Makes it easier. I mean, one way or another you have to wait. Whether you're waiting for a while in the beginning of the line or you wait at the end of the line and come forward. Right, Ez? Look what we have. We have Trader Burtz's back in business. They are open again for the summer. I haven't seen them open since last year. All right. I hear the count. There it goes. Let's see the bucket. Let's see the bucket. Here it goes. It's going to spill over. Did we miss it? I don't know if we missed it. Oh, no. Here it goes. Now we got another shot of the bucket spilling over. Look at that. Oh, you know that's gold. Here he comes. It's Big Bird. Yay! There he is. There's Big Bird. Say hi, Big Bird. There he is. Wave a hi, Big Bird. There he goes. Hey. He's talking. He's talking? Oh my gosh, he was talking. So we were in line to see Big Bird. The talking Big Bird. He's going to be talking today.
I have my puppet.
You got your puppet too?
I'll be back at 1:15. Would you like to take a picture together? My friend will take it forward.
Hello. 4:30 and 5:30 right here. Did you get here on the Sesame Street subway? Wow. Want to take a picture now?
That's a great idea, Big Bird. Look right up here for me. We'll get a great photo. Right up here, okay? 1, 2, 3. No, that's okay.
Nice job.
Easy.
My Uber store for emergency posting.
Okay, yes.
Right, one more photo, Big Bird. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Cheese. Perfect. Great job.
I wanted to come show you the new entrance over here that they have at the Bert and Ernie's Splashy Shores. You can actually get on the lazy river right there. Come down this ramp. That is so cool. I like it. But it is back open for business. Is you having fun? You back at the Count Splash Castle? Yeah. That's right. That's what the Count does. She finally did it. Look at all the people here today. This is great. And everybody's having so much fun. Super awesome. Is out here getting warmed up a little from the sun because it's a bit cold. After a little bit, the sun will warm up the water after so many days. And it will be a lot easier on you, right, Iz? She's like, I'm cold. There goes Paige. Uh-oh. No splashing. Oh, that's what we do here, splash, right? Count Splash Castle. Leaving footprints. Yep, there they are. Splishing and the splashing out here. Let's go. Let's get wet. Woo, yeah, it's cold. It's cold. I'm going in with them. I'm going in. Here we go. Iz is trailing behind. Come on, Iz. She's like, it's a little bit cold. Oh, you wait. By next weekend, you'll be flying through here. Because I think it'll be warm. It's supposed to actually be in the 90s next Friday. Yeah. It's going to get in the 90s next Friday. Wow. Wow. Wow.
I found $1.
You found $1? Oh
In the
my,
lazy river.
oh my gosh, really? Oh yeah, that was last year when we were in there. That's right. I was going to say, we didn't get in there yet. Yeah, I was didn't know if I wanted to go to Lazy River yet because then you're in the water and it is a bit cold, huh? Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at all the water coming down on us. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm like right in the middle of everything, so I'm getting just dripped on. But it is powerful. Oh, look at this. Oh my God, there's the buckets. Remember the buckets? Oh God, I just got over the... Oh! Ah! It's cold. Woo! Everybody's letting me. I'm getting out of here. Oh, I'm getting out of here. Woo! Yeah, very funny, very funny. Iz, I think, got it right in the face there. It looks like. You all right? You okay? You sure? Oh, the one slide's open. Iz, you want to go down the slide with me? Let's go, Iz. Let's go down the slide. Oh, we got to go through something here. Oh, I'm going on this side. Maybe it's not so bad over here. Let's go up, right? Iz, I'm going up, Iz. I'm going up, Iz. Iz, let's go down the slide. There's a little slide, but I want to go down that slide over there. Yes, that one's fun. You coming, Iz? She wants to play right there for a minute. She likes the pool then. What she really wants is someone to get under there. She wants to get them. Look at this. This is so awesome. Look at all the people. There's a long line there for that slide there. Doesn't seem like it was that long ago over here, but it felt like it took forever to get here again. Izzy! She's having fun right there, cooling that water. Oh, there's just people everywhere. Oh my gosh, she got her head in there! Woohoo! Come on, Iz! Paige, down the slide. Go ahead, Paige. Oh, you know that's cold. Here comes Izzy. Wait for her. Woo! All right. Here we go. We're going up, up, up and away here. And it, oh my God, I'm getting. Oh, jeez! Ah, it's cold! I'm getting wet! Oh, it's sprinkling all over me! Wow! Look at that! That was all shooting down on me there. Oh man, that's rough. Oh, more! Oh, yeah, that's cold. All right, let's get in line for this. This is for the slide over here. Want to get in line for the slide? Yeah, that's what we're doing now. Oh gosh, there's people putting buckets of water on people's heads. All right, we're going to get in line. This is going to be our next little adventure here. Now we are underneath the bucket. So let's see, here it comes. I don't know if I want to be here. Oh my gosh, here it comes. Oh no, it didn't go right away. It didn't go right away. It's gone now. Here it comes. Oh my God. You love it? Oh my God, that was rough. Whoa, door tunnel. Woohoo! Check this out. Looks like Oscar the Grouch. Woohoo! Woo! Oh my God, that's cold. Yep, that's cold. Ready? It's the count splash. Here it is. It's 4. It's 3, 2, 1. It dumped on all the people. We're over here on this side view over here at the Count Splash Castle. We got some seats over here. What a little cold, huh? Paige and I are taking a walk over to see if we can get towels. We missed it yesterday because they had a Cookie Monster towel that they're giving out to the season pass members. So let's go get our towels. We should get 4 of them because we have 4 passes. Oh boy, look how packed it is here. This is like crazy packed. I mean, the lines. This is summer for you. We haven't seen this in a while. I mean, months ago, you would not see this here. Over this way, Paige. We're gonna go around this way because there's more traffic that way. We have to go to
Is that the line?
the Sesame Studio. What's
That's
the
the
line?
That's the line.
That's the line for the towel. It is. Holy moly, that's a long line. Oh wow, there's Murray. Murray.
Friends, Murray's gonna be up this week.
All right. Get Murray. We've got to see Murray. We're waiting for the season pass meet and greet. We get to meet 5 characters in one shot there. Awesome. We are in line for this. Seems to be moving pretty fast. We went in line to get our free towel, and I'm telling you, this line.
It was all the way to the front,
Yeah.
where the statues, the Big Bird, Stuffy, and Elmo.
I've never seen a line that long before. So it was almost from the back of the park to the front of the park. It's
Just to
crazy.
get a towel.
Yeah, free towel. So we'll check back later and see if that line has gotten any smaller. As we were walking back, we saw the meet and greet was open. So at least we get to do this. Yeah.
You're good.
All right, let's get our picture right here. Awesome.
Thank you. Aw. There's Telly Monster. All right, we're back over at the Count Splash Castle, and I'm trying to figure out what Izzy's doing. Oh, she's gonna try to get a vest. She doesn't need it, but she wants one. No, you don't need that, Iz. Come on, Iz, you can swim too. But they do have them here, which is a good thing. All sizes, right, Ez? All right, Ez, let's go. I'm gonna get my feet wet here. We left for a little bit to try to get a towel, which that line was super long. And we did do the meet and greet and came back to Count Splash Castle. And it is cold. It's incredible how many people are here today, huh? Oh my gosh, you put it on. Yeah, all right, Iz. You want to wear it? Hey, you're so funny. That is too funny, Iz. Even though it's on backwards. Okay, there, I fixed it for her. Put it on the right way. She doesn't need it, but I think she just wants to wear it. It's cool. It's Big Bird colors, right? You having fun, Iz? Yay! Super fun, super fun. That's cold, guys. Let's see you go under, Hale. Go ahead. Here, go stand under there, the bucket. Stand under the bucket. I'll see you get drenched. Come on, girl. Oh. What are you going to do now, Iz? Gonna go under the water? All right. Uh-oh, what does Haley have? Oh, she's got the water. Oh, I see. She didn't realize she was going to get herself with that. Oh, yeah. That backfired on you. There goes Iz. I got to take my glasses off. All right. We're going to go through all this water mess here. Oh my God. I'm not even over there and I'm getting wet. I mean, if it was 80, 90 degrees, this would probably feel great, but it's only in the 70s. You're out of the sun for a little bit, you start getting hot, so it feels good, but it is cold, so you don't want to go directly in there yet. Maybe when it gets a little hotter, but getting sprayed is not too bad. I'm following them around. I'm getting sprayed and I'm not even near anything. A little bit of a breeze blowing. Oh man. on the back of the train here. Oh, she's like, I don't know if I want to go to the other, like kind of go in between there. That's not happening. It's coming right down. Like, ah! Like, wait till she goes up the other stairs. That's gonna be funny. I gotta get right behind her. She doesn't know that the other ones are gonna be spraying her. There she goes. Oh God, yes. Oh wait, that's it coming down. Maybe I don't want to go up there. I might try to go up the other ones. Here. That's coming down real heavy, like, oh, I don't know. No matter where you go, this water is coming down everywhere. Oh, someone's flashing. Let's see if I can go right through. I was trying to catch up to them. The only way I can do it is going up one of these. And I think I picked the right one. Oh, man, is that cold? I gotta get through here unless somebody puts a bucket on me. Oh, there's buckets there. See those buckets? I've gotten drenched by them before. Oh my goodness. I got up here. She's got to go right back through all the sprinklers. You know, right here is not bad unless the bucket goes. The bucket goes, you're getting soaked. And under here is the best place to stand. There's a little roof above it. So you won't get it too bad there. Izzy! That bucket right there just got me. I was walking down there. I didn't even see that one coming. Wow. I'm keeping an eye on Izzy up here. She might want to go down those slides. She's looking back. Oh, there's some, look at this. There's like water filling up in these buckets here. Oh, there she goes. But it's so slow, it might take a minute. But that will dump on someone down there. Oh, I got somebody. Uh-oh, there it goes. Now I'm standing under the roof. Let's see how safe I am. I think I'm pretty safe under here. It didn't go yet. It's gonna go. I wanted to turn. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Oh yes! Wow! Look at that! Oh my gosh! I didn't get it really in here. Just a couple splashes. Oh yeah! Izzy is soaking wet. Jeez, and cheese. Come on, Iz. You can make it up here. Come on, Iz. She's counting. Look at her counting. She was counting. Izzy, look. 5, Izzy. 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. Izzy's having a good time right there. Izzy's drinking the water. Oh, Iz, don't drink that. I got a water fountain. Well, not one to drink out of. Iz, still having a good time there, Iz? Look at that. Oh, you got your feet in there. I am filling up this bucket. See, up there goes. Oh, I almost got somebody. I did a little bit. Jeez. Here it goes. Filling that bucket up. There it goes. They're going there. Oh. They're waiting for the water to come down on them. Izzy's doing a little dance right there. Shiver dance, shiver dance. It is cold. Now we're in the shade, so it makes it colder. If you got the sun to dry up real nice, they're still waiting for this. The bucket's going. The timing's off a bit, but they'll get it. That sprinkler's shooting out right there. That shoots out pretty far. That's cool. It fills up and spins around. That's what got Haley earlier. Or someone's holding it, that's why. Jeez. Got it right in line with count saying 5:45. one. It's still going. I pulled it. It's still going. I think these things shoot out somehow. Oh, let's see. Not sure how they work. Finally! Whoa! Izzy's still sitting here. I'm freezing trying to go get my towel on and she wants to stay here. It's cold, it's cold. I'm gonna go stand in the sun. I'm gonna watch you from over there, Iz. She wants to wait for the bucket. Right, Iz? You want to wait for the bucket? Yeah. I don't know if I want to wait for the bucket, but it looks like it's getting full up there. She wants the bucket to come down on her. You ready for that, Iz?
I'm in.
You ready for it? What's the count say? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You ready for it? Yeah. It looks like it's getting filled up. Thumbs up, Iz. Hey, thumbs up. Hey. She's like the only one standing here right now. We got our free towels. Show your towel. There's a Cookie Monster towel. They said there was only 50 left. We just made it in there. There we go. Look at that towel, the Cookie Monster towel. We got our towels. Awesome. The parade will come on one more time later. But I was worried that we weren't going to make it in there. I can't believe we just made it in there. They were down to their last 50 towels, they said. So we got our free towels. So we're happy about that. They do things like that here, which is super nice for the season pass holders. It's almost like a super thank you for being a season pass holder. Seeing the parade over there, you can see the top of it. But the line, see how it packs up there? You got to get a good seat early to get in there. All right, we're going to go back over to the Count Splash Castle. All right, now we're going in the Lazy River. We still talked about going here. I haven't gotten in yet, but they say it is cold. Oh my God. 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 It's cold. Oh, holy Lord, is cold. That's like icicles. Oh, yeah. Izzy, stop that, because it's really cold. I mean, I know the water's for splashing, but maybe not yet. All right, here we go. We're going around the Lazy River. She wants to get out. Oh, yeah. There she goes. There she goes. Yay, Izzy. There you go. Oh, boy. Wait till we get up to where the waterfall is. Here comes the bubbles. Look at this. Oh, my gosh. There's like a bump here. I can't help it. Look, you're going to get squished. Ah! Look at that face. That was a funny face. I'm getting pushed from the back. Look at the water. It's pushing at me. Oh my gosh. Yes, come over this side. Izzy don't care. She's going right in the middle. Nothing bothers her. I gotta get through here because I'm gonna get wet. Ow! Oh yeah, the waterfall. Uh-oh. That was there last year. They changed a few things there. I guess one thing, they got new tubes. She said, should she go under? Should you? I'm getting splashed in the back here. This is gonna be hard getting through here. Oh my gosh. I should have took my glasses off. You take them off. I'm in here now. Wow, that's gross. That's a popcorn bag. Yeah, well, there's enough popcorn left in there now. Ready, Iz? Look, Iz went right in there. Nothing bothers her. She'll be freezing when she gets out, but she's all in, man. Oh, look, this is so much nicer. Last year, that water came all the way out to here. Now they lowered it, so you can walk through here. To me, I think it's nicer. So that's a different change. You never used to come out to here, the water? Now it's not coming out that far. Izzy don't care. She's still going right through it all. Right, Iz? Oh, look. You can get on over here now. Last year that was closed off, but that's nice. That's why the front wasn't so jammed up. Right, Iz? All right, we are back at the bubbles. Yay! Oh, spin you. All right, because see all the bubbles here. And look, you can get on there too now. That's pretty cool. We're gonna spin Izzy round, 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 round. Oh, I'm sorry. We're gonna spin Paige round, round, round. I keep getting you mixed up. Sorry. All right, we are in the bubbles. Woohoo! It's hard to stay in there too. Let's see if I can get you in there. Oh wow! Oh, the bubbles! Wow, look at this! Oh jeez! The bottom part of me is used to it. I can't. I'm trying to get you in there. Oh, here it is. Hanging out in the bubbles. The bubbles. Oh, ah. That's like a massage there, huh? On you. Whoa! I'm like standing right in the middle of it. Oh, jeez. That's pretty cool. You can come down the ramp right there and come in. I like it. Oh, Izzy's having a good time there, spinning around and around. Our exit's coming up. All right, we're ready to exit here, the lazy river, right, Iz? Ready to exit out of here and go see what else is next. Woohoo! It's a fun day so far. We are back on almost surf and slide, and this will have to be our last ride because the water attractions close in about 5 minutes, and then the park closes at 8, so you can still do dry rides and watch the parade. Here we go. We're going up. This is really fast and easy. Boy, look at that, right up the steps. This is like the best ever. No waiting in line. The water's so cold. And I think we all got burnt. But we had a great day. And it's not over yet. Oh, we're going down. Oh! Oh! Woo! It's so cold. Woo! Wow! Was that cold, Iz? Was it cold? Did you like it? Oh, my back. It felt good at the same time. It was cold. My back actually got burned. Are you ready, guys? Oh, oh, everybody's going to be cooled off now. You all better be cooled off now. We were getting hot sitting at the table over there, but I'm going to watch the faces. We're going down the big one. Ready? Here we go. We're going down the big one. Ready? Let's do the faces. Woo! Let's go out. Whoa! Was that fun? Yeah. More. She said more. That was fun. I love when they open the gate. I like being up here sometimes because the gate goes open. Here it comes. Ready? Woo! Oh!